Hey guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and we are going on the outside. We are going to prepare some amazing Jamaican jerk chicken. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So here I have two half of a chicken breast that I'm going to use today. But before I season my chicken, listen, we always want to ensure that we wash our chicken properly, right? We want to ensure that we even soaked it in some lime and some vinegar just to cut down on the rawness, alright? So make sure that you always wash your chicken properly, alright? I know some persons debate whether or not you wash your chicken, but let me know in the comment section. Do you guys wash your meat before you prepare it? Let me know what you guys think, alright? So guys, I went in and I added some of my green seasoning and I will upload a video for this amazing green seasoning shortly and show you guys how it is made. And I also added some of my jerk seasoning. Now guys, I decided to try out a different brand of jerk seasoning and trust me, it was almost a failure, but nevertheless we're going to make this work. All right, so what I'm going to add to this is some paprika. I'm going to add some of my all-purpose seasoning and I added just a small amount of black pepper also. All right, remember all of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get them at your local supermarket or grocery store. Guys, remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. All right, so I decided because I'm using the breast quarter, I'm going to go ahead and make some holes in my chicken so that the seasoning can soak in the chicken properly, right? Because we don't want any unseasoned chicken around here. We want to ensure that our chicken is seasoned right down to the bone. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. And then what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to cover it and put it in the fridge and leave it for the next day. All right, so basically I'm seasoning this from the Saturday, but we're going to prepare it on Sunday for Sunday dinner. All right, remember guys, I know some persons don't like the breast quarter. You can always go ahead and use the leg quarter if you so desire. All right, remember that you are the one that is going to consume this, and as I always say, be creative. All right, so now guys, it's Sunday and we are ready to prepare this goodness. So this is it, well seasoned right down to the bone. So I light up my grill and I'm all ready to go. I am just gonna go ahead and just put on my chicken and cover this and just leave this there, right? And I realized that I check this within every 23 minutes, right? So you don't want a heavy fire underneath your chicken, all right? Because you don't want it to burn up. You want to ensure that it is cooked properly on the outside and also on the inside, all right? So now we're just going to flip it over on the other side, and as you can see, the chicken coming along quite fine, looking all good already. Listen guys, we can't wait to see the final product. The final product is amazing. So again, we're just going to cover this and then we're going to come back and check it. As I said earlier, I realized that I check it within every 23 minutes. So you guys can always go ahead and do so. And remember not to put a lot of fire under your grill. Alright, so you can see my chicken coming along quite fine. So we're just going to continue to do what I said earlier. Check on your chicken and make sure that it is not burning. Alright, and remember not to throw away the seasoning from your chicken because you can use it to make a nice gravy. All you need to add to this is some barbecue sauce, and you can always go ahead and add some sugar and some ketchup to it. Boil it up and that is it. All right, so this is my chicken guys, and this took me around 50 minutes or so to prepare because as I said earlier, it's not a high fire. I just allow it to just do its thing. All right, so at this stage we don't want our chicken to dry out, so what we are going to do, we're just going to pour some of my red stripe over it, and the red stripe helps to keep the moisture in. Typically this is not what I normally do. I normally combine the red stripe with other seasoning and pour it over it, but I decided, listen, I don't have time for that, so I'm just gonna pour the red stripe over it. So we're just gonna flip it over on the other side, and once it's finished, we're going to come back and I'm going to show you the final product. Guys, you see my chicken? Not dry out at all. Listen, we're not dealing with no dry out chicken around here. Alright, so this is my jerk chicken, looking all nice, moist and all of that goodness, and it is well done. You see that, guys? No burn up jerk chicken around here. You know, sometimes you buy some chicken and it just burn up and all of that and not have no taste and nothing. Listen, my jerk chicken is perfect. So we are going to serve this up with some rice and peas and some raw veg, and then I'm going to show you guys the final product of this amazing jerk chicken. All right, so guys, here you have it, the final product of my amazing jerk chicken. I hope you guys enjoy today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye guys, and thank you again for watching.